Okay, so get this. For this deep dive, you sent me something about, well, Kriparkle plus V.
Really?
I know, right? Like paste. What's the big deal? But I gotta say, I actually looked into it.
Okay.
And there's more to this whole Control plus V thing than meets the eye.
Yeah, you use this shortcut every day, probably 100 times a day.
Seriously, though, I never really thought about it.
And yet it's connected to some pretty big
So
ideas.
the material we're looking at is, it's like this little guide
Right.
about using spreadsheets.
Right.
And like, even if you aren't a spreadsheet wizard, there's stuff here for everyone.
Oh, for sure, because it all boils down to how computers work, how we get things done.
So right off the bat, the guide's like, Kripark plus V pastes what you copied. Duh, right?
Well, you laugh, but...
But then it gets kind of interesting because it mentions pasting into multiple places at once.
Oh, yeah, you can paste into a bunch of cells all at the same time. Huge time saver.
I mean, I guess that makes sense if you're dealing with tons of data
It's like back in the day, you'd literally cut stuff out and paste it down.
with like scissors and glue.
Exactly. But now it's all digital.
So we've got this digital clipboard instead of like a literal clipboard.
But the concept's the same. You're taking something, putting it aside to use later.
Okay, so then the guide says, after copying, select the cell, press Ctrl plus V. I'm like, wow, groundbreaking.
But see, even there, it's hinting at this deeper thing, the clipboard itself.
Wait, so the clipboard is like its own little program.
It's this invisible thing, but it's working in the background, holding your stuff.
So it's like a, I don't know, a middleman.
More like a temporary storage locker.
Okay, but a locker that only holds one thing.
Yeah, which can be annoying.
Have you ever copied something, then copied something else, and poof, the first thing's gone?
The clipboard's a one-trick pony, at least most of the time.
So this guide, it actually gives an example.
Oh, yeah.
It talks about copying data between worksheets.
So like from one sheet to another in your spreadsheet?
And I was thinking, that seems easy enough, but
Yeah. It's easy to mess up.
if you paste it in the wrong spot, it's going to screw up everything.
Especially if you're dealing with formulas and calculations.
So Ctrl plus V, it's powerful, but you got to be careful.
Absolutely. It's like a chainsaw. Super useful, but...
You got to know what you're doing.
Exactly.
Now, this is where it gets really cool. They have a bonus tip.
Ooh, I love bonus tips.
It says Ctrl plus Alt plus V opens the Paste Special dialog.
Now we're cooking with gas.
Oh, like, what's Paste Special?
Oh man, this is where you become a power user.
Okay, lay it on me.
Paste Special lets you choose exactly how you want to paste something.
So, like, what are the options?
Well, say you've got numbers with all this crazy formatting. You can paste just the numbers.
Clean and simple.
Or maybe you need to flip rows and columns. Paste Special can do that too.
Wow. I had no idea.
It's different in every program, but that's the basic idea.
This whole Paste Special thing, this changes everything.
Right. It's amazing how much control you have, and most people don't even realize.
So to sum up, Creole plus V, not as basic as I thought.
It's a gateway to all sorts of efficiency tricks.
And that whole clipboard thing, it's actually pretty fascinating when you think about it.
It's like the unsung hero of computing constantly working behind the scenes.
So I guess the takeaway here is,
Don't underestimate the simple stuff. There's hidden power everywhere.
and go check out Paste Special. You won't regret it.
You might just discover a whole new way of working.
So there you have it, folks. Next time you hit Creole plus V,
Think about the magic happening behind the scenes.
and who knows, maybe you'll find some new tricks of your own.
Happy pasting!
See you next time on The Deep Dive.